Hey, what's up? This is Jamie Lewis here. Today we're gonna find somebody, normal type person to make some money with online. Here's a normal looking dude here. How you doing? Can I take 2 minutes of your time? Hi, my name's Jamie. What's your name?
My name is Jack.
All right, well, good to meet you, Jack. Yeah, so how you doing? You live around here?
I'm working out here.
What if I told you could make like $200 an hour?
What is the deal? You know, I mean, I supposed to make millions.
I'm gonna show you how to make millions today, all right? You see this cell phone? It's like a normal iPhone.
All right.
All you gotta do is sign up. You have like a post office box, or do you have a friend who owns a store? Maybe the check can go there. Any address we could have the check sent to. When you're gonna get paid with the paycheck, where's it go? Because all you gotta do is input it into here, into a cell phone or at an internet cafe, and then the checks will come right to you. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Make sure you get a commission right now. Buddy, Jack, I'm signing you up right now. All right? How you doing, Jamie?
Nice to meet you, Jamie. Take your
And
sunglasses, man.
I look funny or something?
No,
I
they're
look
cool.
funny to you?
I like those. They're
All
really
right.
nice.
I'm signing this guy up right here. His name's Jack. I guess you're friends? What I'm doing is I'm signing up for some affiliate programs online.
Cool.
And then basically what happens is the check comes to Jack in the mail.
Very
I'm trying to
nice.
figure out where to send the check to.
Send it to my house. Send it to my house. I'll cash it, and I'll give it to you minus like 10%.
Okay. Yeah, double.
All right, so it's gonna go to your house.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, so I'm gonna input your address into my phone,
Cool.
post a couple ads, and then bam, you got checks coming every 2 weeks in the mail. All right, so I'm gonna sign you up now. All right, and the address?
123 Murray Street.
So what we're doing now is I'm just gonna use my email for now. You just post some ads and then you get checks in the mail. All right, so now it tells us we gotta go to the email. There it is, you heard that sound? That's the confirmation email. Jack, what you do is they give you a little code. Now you go to the internet cafe down the street. You go into either one of the classified websites, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff you can do to advance and become better at it, but the basics are very easy. It requires no effort at all. There's no inventory. It's all digital. It's fast, and you get a result right away. It's like, bam, it's like the easiest thing to do to make money, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give you this code. I'm actually gonna write it down on a piece of paper, and then I'm gonna give it to you, and you go to the internet cafe with my instructions, and you're gonna make some money with your code. Guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to a classifieds website, and we're gonna post an ad. I have a cool app on my iPhone where I can just copy and paste stuff I have stored. Now all you do is, see, highlight it, copy it, paste it in the form. All right. Now you see that link at the bottom? That's your link. You use that. That's like your signature. So we post it, and then let's smoke a cigarette. Let's wait like 15 minutes and see what happens. See if we make any sales.
Holy.
Yeah, I mean we have to defend our country to some extent.
The girlfriend.
You better fix it. All right. So look, has it been 15 minutes yet?
Yeah, it is.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into that account. Remember ClickBank? We were telling about that. Remember, this is your account. It's going to your buddy Angel's house. One sale already. $41. See that? $41. You see that? Look at this. Beautiful. And that was just from one ad that I posted. All right, so tell me this. Are you going to go to the internet cafe with the instructions I give you? And are you going to do it? You're going to put those codes in? Awesome.